Hey everyone, welcome back to FixSoft. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro 17 for free for personal use. With VMware Workstation, you can run Windows, Linux, and other operating systems on the same PC. In simple terms, it allows you to create virtual computers called virtual machines inside your main system. VMware has officially made Workstation Pro 17 free for non-commercial use, which means if you're using it at home or for learning, you don't need to pay anything. Before we start, I'd really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribed to the channel. It helps a lot and supports the work I'm doing here. So, first step is to create a Broadcom account to download VMware. So, let's create our account first. Open your browser and search for Broadcom. Open the first website in the results. Once you are on the website, click on the support portal at the top and then click Register. Here, enter your email address. After that, complete the verification. Now it will send a code to your Gmail. Open your Gmail. Here is the email from Broadcom. Now copy the code. Now go back to that page and paste the code there. Now, fill this by entering your name, country, job, and password. Make sure to remember your password because we need that to sign in our account ladder. After filling foam, accept the terms and click Create Account. Once your account is ready, then go to this video's description. There you will find this link. Click on it. Here, sign in using your email and password you created. After signing in, it will redirect you to the download page. On the page, click on VMware Workstation Pro for Windows. Select the latest version. On the next page, click on the conditions link. A new page will open, close that. Then come back and check the box to accept the terms. The download button will now become active. Click it. You may be asked to fill in a short verification form. Just complete it and submit. After that, it will send you back to that page. Click the download button again and the file will start downloading. Now, wait until download finishes. Once the download is complete, run the installer. The setup wizard will open. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. This is the location where VMware will get installed. Click Next to continue. Now check the first box, because we need a desktop shortcut only. Then click Next. When it says VM Workstation is ready to install, click Install. When it's finished, click Finish. You'll see the VMware Workstation Pro icon on your desktop. Double-click it to open the program. This is the main interface, and from here, you can start creating and running virtual machines right away. To learn how to set up virtual machines or install different operating systems in VMware, check out the tutorials on my channel. I've also added helpful links in the description below. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more tech tips, and leave your questions in the comments.